Welcome to Kids Library. Hello little listeners. Today we have very special guest, the king of the jungle, Leo the lion.
Hello my friends, I am the Leo the lion. And I am so happy to talk to you today. Do you want to hear my roar? Ready? Roar. Haha, don't worry, that was just a friendly roar. Did you know that lions live in groups called prides? We are like one big family, always looking after each other. And guess what? I may look strong and brave, but I also love long naps. Sometimes I sleep almost 20 hours a day. But don't think I am lazy. When it's time to protect my family, I stand tall, roar loud, and make sure everyone is safe. Here's something I want you to remember. Being strong does not just mean having muscles. It means being kind, brave, and caring for your families and friends. So my little cubs, always stay brave, and always stay kind.
Thank you, Leo the lion. And thank you, little listeners. See you next time. Like and subscribe for more video.